Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little something different today. I am going to make a mustard seed necklace. Well, actually, several mustard seed necklaces. I've been seeing these mustard seed necklaces and rings on the internet, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love that. I need that in my life. And then I thought, you know what? I have stuff and I can make that. And I'm going to show people that you don't have to go spend a lot of money and you can make it yourself. I am a crafter, I guess you could say. I do lots of different crafts. I have a lot of supplies, and I have these handy dandy little jewelry resin molds. So I'm going to use this, and I went and got mustard seeds. So I'm gonna mix the resin, pour it in the molds, and then we're just gonna place a little mustard seed inside of it, and we are gonna make the cutest necklaces. You have to mix the resin in equal parts and stir it very well. After it's stirred, then we pour it into the little pendant molds here. And I'm excited because I think this is gonna turn out super cute. Next, we take the heat gun to this and let the heat make all of the little bubbles rise to the top and burst. And then we just have to let it sit for maybe 2 hours. Then we're gonna put the mustard seed in, and then we have to let it sit for about 24 hours. The heat gun makes the bubbles rise to the surface, and they pop very easily. And for any that get stuck on the side, you can use a toothpick or a little wooden dowel to make the bubbles come off the sides and pop. When I was opening the mustard seeds, several of them fell onto the table. So I just picked them up off the table and used them because I didn't want them to go to waste. This is what it looks like so far. I know it doesn't look like much, but I have each seed placed in a pendant, and now I just wait 24 hours. It has been more than 24 hours and the resin is set. This is what it looks like. You can see the little mustard seeds in there. Let's take them out and see what they look like. Let me give you a better look at these. I think these are adorable. I love the shimmer. The camera does not do it justice, but the glitter that I used is so fine. It just adds sparkle, and the focus is the mustard seed. Look at how great these turned out. I just love them. I used the jewelry making material that I already had. I used some of the metal to make a hoop for the pendant, and I just fastened that together, and then I put it onto a metal bracelet that I have. This is how it turned out. I think this is super cute. I just wanted to give you a quick view after I figure out how to get the thing on my wrist. But this is how it looks. I really love these. I just cannot get over how much I love these. And it's not just because it's a piece of jewelry. It is the mustard seed. I love it for that simple fact. And And here I'm doing just about the same thing as I did for the bracelet, except this time I am fashioning the pendant to go on a necklace. And I can't decide which one is my favorite. I love them both. I am going to make a lot more, and friends and family are going to get these for Christmas. So there we have it. That's the gist of it. I still have to put together a lot more necklaces and bracelets, but I don't want to make the video like 10 hours long, so we're gonna cut it short here. But there it is, really cute. I love it. It's just clear and it has some sparkles in it and the mustard seed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I know I enjoyed making the mustard seed necklaces. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer to the best of my ability. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Not just to become a subscriber, but to join the community, and we can help each other grow in faith and help each other in our walk with God. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye guys.